Toledo Metal Spinning Company has been in the business of forming metals for nearly a century. Forming metals are achieved not only by metal spinning, but by rolling and welding too. Flat sheet stock is cut to a very precise measurement to achieve tight tolerances. A state-of-the-art laser cutting system helps to achieve tight tolerances on flat sheet stock. Toledo Metal Spinning Company has unique ways of rolling and welding, setting us apart from our competition. For weld integrity, we weld a tab onto the cylinder in order to completely weld the cylinder from start to finish. The tabs are cut off, and what is left is a continual, dependable weld even at the edges. Our jet line welding systems, along with highly trained and skilled welders, provide a consistent and even weld, which is rated high in our industry. Precision is achieved by electronic control of each and every weld. Consistency and repeatability are provided for every part, each and every time. After the welding process is completed, we planish our welds. Whether longitudinal or circumferentially, a planished weld builds a stronger weld. The planisher realigns the molecules in the weld to build a stronger, more reliable weld. Once a part is sheared, rolled, welded and planished, TMS can put a variety of flanges or beads on your part with our trimming and beading equipment. The trimming and beading equipment uses slides with actuators to give you precise cuts and forming of secondary operations such as beads and flanges. For larger, more cumbersome pieces, we can form flanges using a variety of thicknesses. We have the processes and the systems in place to provide you what you're looking for. TMS invests in equipment and people. We've done that for nearly 100 years. What that means for the customer is dependable and reliable delivery of quality parts, competitively priced. Give TMS a try.